from Jodel Fuentes, including this one. This three-point shot. Scoreless in game 2, Philip Panyamogan. Jodel Fuentes due for a big game.
Hindi lang nga lang yung ticket yung problema, Sedel, pati yung parking.
Opiso for 3. Regains possession.
Oo.
Jodel Fuentes. 3-ball. Good! 2 from Jodel Fuentes, including this one. This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme.
Jodel Fuentes.
Can you imagine as Panyamogan drives, bigay kay Ambuluto, carving space, and Mogan up against Abundo. Philip gets it to Seda Blaza for 3. It's good. Banal. 7 on the shot clock for Quezon. Banal drives middle. Banal, the teardrop. CJ goes back to Seda Blaza. Ablaza puts the ball on the deck. Binabatay ni Sandagon. There's a quick double. LJ Gonzalez with a steal. Binigay kay Banal. Jodel Fuentes for 3. Good! Exception ng si Gab Banal.
Oo.
5 of 12 so far for Quezon, 4 of 10 for Batangas. CJ Isit for 3. Good. Playing in leagues here at 16 years old. Sa open po, naglalaro as Jason Apis. And check out this play of the game brought to you by Suzuki. Topeng Lagrama with a pocket pass and the extra pass from RJ Mino. At meron siyang laging masasabi. Oh, Hernandez. Oh.
Ibang klase na yung demeanor eh.
Kaya nga.
Di ba? More focused, more mature. And then,
Lagrama swings it over to Banal. Nice fake. Gab taken away by Isit. Hernandez will lay it in for 2. 22-20. Chance for Batangas to tie. Ablaza. 100% Batangas. They want to win it for Batangas, but syempre, you want to win it for your family. And, you know, katuwang mo sila dito eh.
exactly. And, you know, that makes it more meaningful, Sedelfe, when you play with a deeper purpose.
One more in game 2.
Oo. And again, that's one thing na, so if that's the case, Sedel, alam mo, it is Batangas dictating the game.
It's 3-point. They are 6 of 16. Ablaza. Piso. Baloria. Unable to get the ball. Now with Ablaza using the fake. Send Ablaza. Lagrama. They go to Abundo. Abundo. Turnaround shot. He'll get the rope. Ang maganda sa kanya, parang stabilizer nila to eh. Baloria for Batangas. Gravera. Jumper is good. And Topeng from way downtown. No, Gravera offensive rebound. LJ inside. Lander Cannon. Check out this inbound play earlier. CJ Isit in the lane. CJ, no good. LJ Gonzalez comes away with a loose ball. LJ all the way! Gonzalez. Here's LJ. Hindi na magcha-challenge si Sendo. Gab Banal wants the ball against Hernandez. Gab shoots over Levy. They want to go back to Gab Banal. Banal spins and put Fuentes to Topeng Lagrama. Back to Jodel for 3. Over Levy Hernandez. And the unselfishness and the smarts of Topeng Lagrama able to spot.
Yung energy niya.
De La Vergen drives, binigay kay Baloria, basket plus. I think that matchup against Topeng Lagrama galing sa kabilang side.
Oh, Villanueva.
LJ, the step back. Whoa! And look at LJ Gonzalez. The explosiveness. Yung so a chance for Batangas to take the lead. Porter inside. Gets it to Baloria. He gets it back from Apinan. Jong squeezing himself. Leading the way. Banal inside. Opiso. Nice fake. Jason up. Baloria launches the 3. Too strong. Antapik ends up with Jexter Apinan. 2 points. Banal has to shoot. Good!
Etong si Chris Porter.
They go back to Porter against Sandagon. Porter spins and puts it in. Dagon and Fuentes here. May double team. Pero no problem para kay
Yan, nung third quarter.
Levy. Fires short. Ambuluto underneath. Ambuluto is blocked by Fuentes. Ambuluto at the line. That's the first one to drop.
This
Ambuluto comes up with the steal. John Ambuluto fouled. Of 35 or 36. Binigay kay LJ. Gonzalez will fire. Judel Fuentes giving up that basketball to LJ Gonzalez, who steps into this three-pointer. Ochea gets that ball gets tapped. Now the loose ball ends up with Quezon. LJ Gonzalez. That's a foul. 3 rebounds, 2 assists para kay LJ Gonzalez. Perfect. LJ Gonzalez, the switch on Hernandez. LJ drives. LJ scores!
Oh.
Of LJ Gonzalez.
This is the best decision right now to put that ball in the hands of LJ Gonzalez.
Gonzalez against Ochea. LJ, step back 3. Yes! LJ Gonzalez right between the eyes of Don Ochea.
And that is important for the Quezon.
Because of him, LJ Gonzalez.
Joker. Ablaza will drive. Finds Porter inside the paint. Here's the... Oh, there. Andun.
Nung
And-
bumawi.
Oh. And that happened right in front of referee Sev Pingol, and that's...
Ang
and that's
unsports. Oh.
And 2 steals. They trap Gonzalez. Lagrama able to get that basketball on to Fuentes, and nakatawid ang Quezon. Oh! Backcourt violation.
Dragon violation.
Porter, Baloria, and Ochea. Jong Baloria for 3. That's a wild shot. Ochea inbound. Ablaza is free. Ablaza scores.
Oo.
Dalawang sunod na basket galing sa Batangas here.
Oh. And you know, first question here.
They pitch the ball to LJ Gonzalez. 2 points. Ochea got caught. Doon kay Sandaoria. To Porter. To Isit. Ablaza for 3. Too strong. Gonzalez with a rebound to Fuentes. Ochea respond again. Porter will attack against Sandagon. Porter, the one-hander, short. Rebound, Obiso. And they... Topeng finds LJ Gonzalez. And they foul LJ.
Parang, Sedelf, I feel na parang sa kanya na...
Back from Ablaza. To Ochea, steps out to the three-point line. No! LJ Gonzalez!
Again with the rebound.
And Quezon is your South Division champions! Winning a thriller over Batangas! The Huskers are going to Dubai to face the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. What a moment for their franchise and their fans inside the Quezon Convention Center in Lucena.